Today I'm going to show you the fastest and easiest ways to check your IP address on a Mac. There are two types of IP addresses, your internal IP and your public IP. First, if you want to view your internal IP address on a Wi-Fi network, do this. Click the Apple icon in the top left corner of the screen, then choose System Settings. Next, select Network. Here, you'll see all the network connections available on your Mac. If you're only using a regular Wi-Fi connection, click on Wi-Fi. Then click the Details button for the Wi-Fi network you're connected to. In the new window, select the TCP/IP tab, and you'll see your internal IP address next to IP address. Another way to check your internal IP is by using Terminal. Open Spotlight, type terminal, and run this command. ifconfig grep inet. You'll see your IP address listed next to the inet entry. Next, if you want to check your public IP address, it's also very simple. Open your browser and go to whatismyip.com or search whatismyip on Google. Your public IP will appear instantly. Now let's go back to the internal IP. If you have more than one network connection, like you're connected to both Wi-Fi and Ethernet, here's how to find the correct internal IP. Open Terminal and type ifconfig. This command will display all network interfaces. Look for the interface with the status active, usually EN0 or EN1. Then find the line that contains inet, and that will show the internal IP your Mac is currently using. And that's it. Now you know the 3 quickest ways to check your IP address on a Mac. Hope you found this video helpful.